Hi, I'm Pooja Agarwal. I'm brand partner at Agarwal Estates. We are from Bangalore. We are a real estate consultancy firm. So Agarwal Estates, through its platform Zero Chaos, have digitized rental and sale registrations in India. Through this, we have digital collaboration, we have real-time status tracking, and we have a complete digital workflow which allows all the different parties of a transaction to collaborate in one particular platform, and hence everything is transparent, and they know the next steps, they know all the actions that are going on in place. This allows hassle-free and transparent deals and reduces the transaction time from 90 to 45 days while providing all the different clients in control of the transaction. So I believe that sale registration, which currently happens offline at the registrar's office, will be digitized and will happen online in near future. Secondly, I also believe that automated legal due diligence will digitize the real estate industry. Currently, it takes a lot of time for legal verification because the government records are not digitized. But in the near future, we believe that with the digitization of everything, legal verification will be a cakewalk, and hence will allow efficiency and hassle-free deals and making real estate transactions more faster and accessible for everyone. So Agarwal Estates has developed a SaaS-based platform named Zero Chaos, which allows automation of the sale registration process from finalizing a deal until the final day at the registrar's office. So this allows for digital collaboration and complete automated digital platform wherein all the different parties can come together, and with features like instant e-stamp, escrow services for the buyers, which allow security for the buyer, and digital signatures. Everything is sped up basically, and it reduces transaction time from 90 to 45 days. Everything is more accessible, everything is more efficient, and there is no typical paper process. Everything is paperless, and this allows for complete peace of mind for all the different parties involved in a transaction.